community member Chris wanted us to take a look at XRP, guys. This is what we're going to be doing in this video right here. We're going to be taking a look at XRP from all the different technical angles. We'll talk about XRP dominance as well, and then we will jump into XRP's comparison against the Bitcoin's ratio, guys. Without any further ado, let's jump onto the first piece of analysis right here. We got XRP on the USD pair coming from Polonia. The last all-time high that was put in on XRP back in the good old days, December 2014, was at your 3 cents regions. Now, if you draw a Fibonacci extension coming from these price points and you extend it all the way towards the market bottom right here, you can see that XRP had multiple attempts on closing a trend above 3-2 extension, but it failed on a lot of occasions, guys. It also went all the way towards the 6-minute regions, but the attempt was simply unsuccessful. And you can see, guys, as soon as we obliterated 6-minute retracement to the upside, that is when your exponential run on XRP started happening, guys. Just to give you a little perspective right here, I'll take off the logarithmic charts, and this is what happened, right? This is what happened on real time, guys. If we just kind of try to compare this price action with whatever is happening right here, you can see, guys, that the all-time high on XRP was somewhere alongside 3.3 regions and the bottom was at 10 cents. On multiple occasions, yes, you've had your retest at the 3-2 extensions, but you have been failing this again and again and again. The 6-minute attempt was made in this bullish leg to the upside, but yes, guys, you simply failed and you retraced back to the mean price points. Right now, what is happening is that yes, you are getting back into consolidation. So the bigger picture on XRP is in a non-trending motion, guys. We are not expecting crazy bullish breakouts happening on XRP that will potentially put XRP to, I don't know, guys, something which XRP Army talks about on crypto Twitter, that is $100 targets, guys. I don't see that is going to be happening pretty soon. That will take a lot of time. Probably it will happen in the next cycle, guys. Probably not at this one. You have massive XRP supply right here in the market, and talking about $100 XRP is simply out of question, guys. Now, on the other hand, if you talk about the small to mid time frames, and if I simply demarcate this entire leg, guys, we're talking about whatever happened on XRP after the COVID capitulation right at the March 2020 price points. You can see that the grind line is still running, guys. We have a good looking grind line that is still working out on the price action, that is still supporting the price action. Remember, everything has to happen step by step. So we did retest this price point right here at 90 cents. We literally got rejected like a small little bitch. We retraced down back to the support trend line, and we are kind of getting supported in a very obnoxious manner right here, guys. We don't have a good market participation happening on XRP as of now. And even if you just simply get rid of everything right here and just talk about the price action structure, you are simply putting in lower highs every single time. You're going for lower highs, guys, which is why this time along, maybe this entire resolution will happen to the downside, guys. The overall landscape in crypto market is bearish, right? Which is why we can expect this breakdown happening on XRP that could potentially put the price action down all the way towards your 20 to 15 cents regions right here, guys. This is pretty obnoxious, to be honest with you, but that is something which we can expect once this grind line breaks down. So if I simply want to conclude this video right here, right now, is XRP a good investment in 2022? No, guys, it's not. Apparently it's not. It's not a good investment in 2022. It was not that good of an investment back in the COVID capitulation as well. Solana did a 400x in the market after COVID capitulation, right? You had AVAX doing multiple 100x's in the market, guys. You had Cardano doing something like that. You had Matic obliterating crazy levels to the upside. You had fucking Dogecoin doing 1000x in the market, guys. What did XRP do? Absolutely nothing as compared to what these major crypto assets did in the previous 2 years, guys. That kind of kills a lot of vibes, guys. That simply kills a lot of buzz across XRP as a whole, right? But it's not only bearish things which is happening with XRP as a whole, because if we talk about XRP's market capitalization, that is on a constant rise, guys. The XRP market capitalization is on a simple rise to the upside. Now, the only thing which I can conclude right here with this form of charting patterns is the fact that, guys, maybe we are replicating this entire piece of price action in a little expanded manner that could extend for a very long time. That is something that is probably more than what you can expect is going to be happening once again, and maybe we do expand in this kind of fashion right here, guys. It could happen, it could not happen, but the trends are pretty harmonic and the trends are simply going to the upside. So in terms of money being poured into XRP as a whole, yes, we have a bullish situation happening overall, guys. So yes, most likely if you talk about event horizon that is maybe extending for 10 years or 12 years, XRP is a good investment, guys. That is what history is telling us, right? If you had invested literally $10 on XRP back in 2014, you would have been significantly up, guys, because the market capitalization of XRP is up 100,000%. That is absolutely crazy, right? If you simply want to invest in XRP, keep on accumulating that. Right? Keep on accumulating that. Do not touch your accumulation stash. A lot of people, guys, a lot of people in the market, especially when they are new to money management as a whole, what they would do is that they would simply start trading their hodling stash as a whole, guys. I have fucking done that. Yes, I have done that a lot of times, and I've gotten beaten up by the market so many times that I simply separated that investment behavior from a trading perspective as a whole, guys. You have to do that as well. You have to keep these simple things in mind as well. If you're investing, your strategies, your formulations, your edge in the market is going to be completely different from what you are trying to do in the market. If you are day trading crypto assets every single day, guys, have a separate outlook between these things as well, right? Do not fucking trade your investment stash every single day. Don't do that, right? Just don't do that. That is something which will probably make you profitable in the long time frame, guys. Don't fucking leverage trade in these kind of landscapes, guys. Just don't do that. Just don't do that. It'll save you a lot of money, and it'll save you a lot of fucking trouble as well. Believe it or not. And probably this is something that will dawn upon you maybe in the coming months altogether, guys. All right, with that said, let's talk about XRP compared to BTC right here. What is happening, guys? This is garbage. This is just an obnoxious downtrend that never wants to stop, guys. On multiple cycles, you have your bottom right here, and then you have your top right here. That's all you do. That's all you do. Where are we right now, guys? We are in the middle of nothing. Now, if you really want to exponentially make money investing in XRP, wait for these occasions, guys. Wait for XRP to formulate a bottom against BTC. If you see those things aligning with market bottom as well, that is when you can leverage your gains out, guys. That is when, if you'll invest in XRP, Bitcoin's price will be bullish, XRP against BTC will be bullish, your returns will be multifold, guys. Your returns will be simply multifold. I simply don't think that everybody's going to be able to time this entire 5,000% move to the upside. Or maybe, look, guys, if a lot of people are simply gambling in the market, a lot of people will think that this entire leg to the upside will come from these levels right here, and they'll try to long XRP on these levels, and then bam, it'll go down, making all of these people go wrecked. And then again, guys, those same people will try to long XRP right here, and then they'll wonder, this time it's going to be different. And this is when XRP goes for a 5,000% leg to the upside against Bitcoin, and bam, you go to the downside once again, obliterating that low, taking out this one, and formulating a new low once again in the market. This is what XRP against BTC will do again and again. Once again, 100% move to the upside, but bam, followed up with a downtrend that never stopped. And guys, when everybody capitulates out of the market, that is when XRP rips to the upside for 5,000% move. So what I'm trying to tell you guys right here is that just don't try to wait for these exact price points or these exact movements, guys. Let me just be very frank and honest right here. Chances of you pointing out these sorts of bottom in the market is less than 1%, guys. It's fucking less than 1%. That is what it is. That is the fucking reality in the market. Now, in the mid time frames, in the long time frames as well, XRP against BTC is in a strong downtrend, guys. It's simply going to the downside, right? And every single time you have a good looking reversal move that is happening is a lower high in context to all of these highs, guys. You just print in a new lower high. If you take out this flow to the downside, new lows will follow up, and then it'll go up, and then new lows, and then it'll go up, then new lows, guys. Maybe wait for XRP to come all the way towards these levels, all the way at your 2017 lows, and that is when you can start speculating on XRP, guys. That is when maybe good things will play out, guys. With that said, I think this is pretty much it about XRP right here. Pretty comprehensive analysis on XRP and my own opinions as well, guys. So hit that like bell, subscribe if you found this video helpful, and share this video with all the people who are trying to invest in XRP in 2022, and let me know down in the comments if you simply disagree with all of these things, and I would simply love to know your opinion in the market about XRP as well. Until then, bye for now.